The 2016 Pilot EX and above trims are equipped with intelligent traction management. It's designed to enhance your ability to take advantage of available traction in a variety of road conditions. It works with the drive-by-wire throttle, VSA system, and transmission shift map, and, if equipped, the all-wheel drive system to help maintain the available grip on various road surfaces and conditions. Drivers of two-wheel drive models can select between normal and snow modes. All-wheel drive models add mud and sand modes as well. The system is easy and intuitive to use and requires less work for the driver on challenging driving surfaces. To change modes on two-wheel drive trims, press the button labeled Snow located behind the shifter. To change modes on all-wheel drive trims, press the button with the vehicle profile on it behind the shift-by-wire buttons. The first push displays the modes available in the MID. With each ensuing push, the system cycles through the available modes. Once the desired mode is selected, it will engage after a 3-second interval. For example, if driving in normal mode and the road condition changes to snow, push the Intelligent Traction Management button to engage snow mode. The Intelligent Traction Management system will then configure to best suit the slick, snowy road surface. When using the Intelligent Traction Management system in any mode other than the normal mode, the cruise control function is disabled. Intelligent Traction Management helps drivers to better maintain traction, stability, and driving confidence in a wide variety of conditions with the ease of pushing a button.